Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn about powerful military vehicles. Tank. This is a tank. It is a strong and heavy vehicle used to protect soldiers in battle. Army truck. This is an army truck. It carries soldiers and supplies to different places safely. Jeep. This is a jeep. It helps soldiers move quickly on rough roads and fields. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. It flies high in the sky to help soldiers travel fast and rescue people. Submarine. This is a submarine. It travels deep under the sea to keep watch and protect the waters. Fighter jet. This is a fighter jet. It zooms through the sky very fast to protect the country. Armored car. This is an armored car. It is covered with strong metal to keep the soldiers safe inside. Missile launcher truck. This is a missile launcher truck. It carries and launches big missiles to protect the nation. Military ambulance. This is a military ambulance. It helps take injured soldiers safely to the hospital. Command vehicle. This is a command vehicle. It is used by officers to give orders and control missions. Armored personnel carrier. This is an armored personnel carrier. It carries soldiers safely in dangerous areas. Military boat. This is a military boat. It moves fast on water and helps guard the sea. Drone. This is a drone. It flies in the sky without a pilot and helps the army see from above. Rocket launcher. This is a rocket launcher. It fires rockets into the air to protect the soldiers. Cargo plane. This is a cargo plane. It carries food, clothes, and tools for soldiers to different places. Troop transport truck. This is a troop transport truck. It takes many soldiers together to the mission area. Armored tanker. This is an armored tanker. It carries fuel and supplies safely to the battlefield. Military motorcycle. This is a military motorcycle. It moves quickly to deliver messages and check the area.